For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
When it comes to travel, having the right luggage can make all the difference. Two standout options in the market are the large capacity carry-ons, the 20-inch rectangular suitcase carrier, and the 28-inch travel bag with brake, both featuring 5 wheels and made from polycarbonate, PC. These pieces of luggage offer a blend of durability, functionality, and convenience, making them ideal for both short and long trips. 20-inch rectangular suitcase carrier. Its compact size meets most airline carry-on requirements, making it perfect for those who prefer to travel light without compromising on essential space. Key features: durable polycarbonate construction. The PC material ensures that the suitcase is lightweight yet incredibly sturdy. It can withstand the rigors of travel, protecting your belongings from impacts and rough handling. 5-wheel system. Unlike traditional 4-wheel suitcases, this carrier features a 5-wheel system, providing superior maneuverability. The extra wheel enhances stability, making it easier to navigate through crowded airports and uneven surfaces. Brake functionality. The built-in brake system is a game changer. It prevents the suitcase from rolling away on inclines or during transit, ensuring it stays exactly where you need it. Large capacity. Despite its compact size, this suitcase offers ample storage space. Cleverly designed compartments and pockets make organization simple, allowing you to pack more efficiently. 28-inch travel bag with brake for longer journeys or those who need to pack more. The 28-inch travel bag is an excellent choice. Its larger size accommodates extended trips, providing plenty of room for clothing, accessories, and other travel essentials. Key features: generous storage space. The 28-inch size provides an impressive capacity, making it ideal for longer vacations or business trips. You can pack multiple outfits, shoes, and even bulky items without a problem. Polycarbonate durability. Like the smaller version, this travel bag is constructed from high-quality PC, ensuring it is both lightweight and durable. It offers excellent protection for your belongings against impacts and harsh conditions. Enhanced 5-wheel system. The 5-wheel design on this larger bag offers smooth and effortless mobility. Whether you're navigating through a busy airport or city streets, this bag moves with ease. Brake feature. The inclusion of a brake system provides added security, preventing the bag from rolling away. This feature is particularly useful when traveling on public transportation or in busy areas. Expandable design. The travel bag can expand to accommodate additional items, perfect for those unexpected shopping sprees or souvenirs you might pick up during your trip. Why choose these bags? Convenience and ease of use. Both bags are designed to make travel as smooth as possible. The 5-wheel system provides exceptional mobility, reducing the strain of hauling heavy luggage. The brake feature adds a layer of security, ensuring your luggage stays put when needed. Durability. Polycarbonate is known for its toughness and lightweight properties. These bags can handle the stress of travel, keeping your belongings safe and secure. Versatility. Whether you need a compact carry-on for a weekend getaway or a larger bag for an extended trip, these luggage options have you covered. The expandable design of the 28-inch bag offers additional flexibility, adapting to your travel needs. Organization. With multiple compartments and pockets, these bags make it easy to organize your belongings. You can keep your clothes, accessories, and travel essentials neatly arranged, saving you time and hassle during your trip. In summary, the large capacity carry-on's 20-inch rectangular suitcase carrier and the 28-inch travel bag with brake are excellent choices for any traveler. Their combination of durability, functionality, and innovative features make them stand out in the crowded luggage market, ensuring your travels are as stress-free and enjoyable as possible.